Alright guys, so I wanted to do a quick video on show you how I install my U-part wig and the convenience and the easiness of it all. Okay, so you see I got my hair braided down. I'm gonna tag my girl who did it in California. She did an amazing job for my braid down. I like to keep my U-part wigs on for at least a month, but the good thing about this U-part wig that I made is that it has clips in it, so I can take the wig off at night and I can put oil on my scalp, I can put moisturizer on my braids and just let them live and let my hair grow out. So I usually keep mine in, like I said, 4 weeks to a month. So it's already been shampooed, blow dried, and flat ironed. So I'm just going, you can curl it before you put it on if you like, but I have the 4 clips around here, and then I have the combs at the base and on the sides. So I'm gonna pop this on like so. I'm going to start with my middle one. I like to comb them in first and make sure it's positioned right before I clamp it down. And then once I know it's positioned just right, then I close it. And you just want to make sure it doesn't hurt when you close them, okay? So kind of move them around if they pull, they're a little too tight. I just press down on each one. Just like that. And then the good thing is you want to leave your hairline out, because when the wind blows you don't want people to know to see your braids, so you leave that out. But because the way I sewed the track in, you won't see it, so then you just pull the comb forward and slowly kind of pull it there. You don't want to shove it in there, just gently, very gentle, because you want to protect your edges and you don't want the comb to pull out your edges. So we're gonna take this next one. I'm gonna comb those edges out the way. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna grab that comb like so. Oops, can't really see. I'm gonna pull it out and I'm gonna pull it back in and push it in to the braids very gently, like so. So that's pretty secure. I'm gonna take the last comb in the back. Tuck it under. You want to make sure your ears are out. It's always important. And now I like to have a little more volume around my face, but I like to go away from my face. So I'm going to take my flat iron and curl it back towards the back of the room. That's what I like to say, the back of the bathroom, to create like that Farrah Fawcett look. Then I'm just gonna blend my leave out in. So wherever you want to part it, depending on how much you leave out, you can do an off-center part, you could do a directly center part. It's really up to you, honey. So I've already prepped this leave out. And that's it. Just like that. Boom, boom, just like that. Put a little edge control on your edges if you want. And that's it. So to see how convenient and easy the U-part wig is, it's because, you know, it helps to grow your hair because you're not sewing through your hair constantly. You're not, you know, braiding your hair down and sewing through it. Like this, you can like you have a sew-in 20 minutes, honey. So it's a great investment. Like this will last you years. Like I have U-part wigs that I made years ago that I still wear to this day. And the fact that I can take this off will definitely make it last even longer. So yeah, you just position it. If you wanted to, you could have left your hairline out like around here and you could be able to put it up in a ponytail, stuff like that. I don't personally put my hair in a ponytail because I just don't. But yeah, this is it. Take some photos. This is our Indian cashmere. I have 3 bundles in my hair, 14, 16, and 18. If you want, you could do 2 bundles. You could do a 14 and 16, or you could do a 16 and 18, but it will make it look a little thinner. But what I do is I charge $250 to make them, and then you just have to pay for the hair. So whichever length you decide, it'll determine how much this U-part wig will cost. All right, let me know. Talk to you later. Thanks for watching.